So welcome to Learn with Krishna Sandeep channel. So in this video, we will see one important Java program to find the factorial of a number. Okay, find the factorial of a number using Java8. So first I created a class and I created a main method which is an entry point for any program. And here what I'm doing is I'm just taking one number in num equal to 5 and I want to find the factorial of a number 5. So what is the output we should get? 5 into 5 star 4 star 3 star 2 star 1. Okay. So 5 into 4 into 3. 5 4 is 20, 360 to 120. So your output should be 120. Okay. So the output should get as 120. So first I'll write the program and then I'll explain in detail later. First one, so in number equal to 5 and then long factorial equal to factorial of number, and here we have to create a method which is a factorial method. So this factorial method will return a long, okay, which is a number again. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just clicking here and I'm creating a method factorial. Okay, so here what I'm going to do is return of, we are going to use LongStream. Okay, and how this LongStream will work, LongStream dot range closed 1 comma, okay, number dot reduce dot reduce 1 comma long a comma long b a star b. So I'll explain this method. What is this long stream, range close, reduce? So first one is we are going to use long string. So for that we have to import java.util.stream.longstream. So this line imports the longstream class from java.util.stream package, which provides methods to create and manipulate the stream of values, long values. Then we have created a class called Java8 Factorial. So it defines a public class named Factorial. So every program must have one class and main method is the entry method. Okay, main method is the entry method. And then we have a program int number equal to, so the program starts from here, actual program logic int num equal to 5. So here what we are doing, we are declaring an integer variable number and we are initializing it with value 5. So we can change this value to test with the different numbers. And next long factorial equal to factorial of number. So here what we are doing, we are calling the factorial method with num as an argument and storing the result of this method in this long variable factorial. And finally what we can do, we can print this sys out factorial of a number equal to factorial. Let's see what is the method that are not applicable for the arguments string comma long. Okay, okay, so this is the program and let's see what is the how we have written this method factorial. So this is the factorial method. So we are defining this as a static method since we are going to use this method in the main method and it takes integer number as an argument and it returns the value long. And if you see here, LongStream dot range closed. So here what we are doing is we are creating a long stream of numbers, okay, starting from 1 to the given number. That means starting from the number 1 to the 5. So this will contain, the output of this is nothing but 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. So here we are creating a stream of numbers. We are creating a stream of given numbers. And the reduce method, what it does, it performs a reduction on the elements of the stream using associative accumulative accumulation function and an identity value. So long a comma long b, a star b. So a star b is a lambda expression that defines the accumulation function. So for each pair of elements a and b in the stream, it multiplies them together. So it multiplies each and every element in the stream. Okay, it multiplies together. So the result of this is multiplication is used as a new for the next pair of elements. Okay, the result is used as a for the next pair of elements. For example, it will start with 1 into 2. So here the output is 2. Again, this 2 will be stored. Again, 2 comma, what is the next number? 3. 2 into 3, which will return 6. Again, the output is stored in a. 6 into 4, 24. So first we'll start with value 1. Okay, multiply 1 by 1. So a comma b. So 1 comma 1. And next one is output will be stored in a, as I told you. Multiply 1 by 2 to get 2. Multiply 2 by 3 to get 6. So this is how the result of the reduction operation is 120, which is the factorial of 5. So this program effectively demonstrates the use of streams and the lambda expressions to perform a common mathematical calculation in a concise and functional manner. Let's run the program and see the output. If you see, the factorial of number 5 is how much? 120. Take 8 and let's run the program. So factorial of 8 is 40320. Take 3, run the program. Factorial of 3 is 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2 into 1. Let's run for another example, 4. Okay. Factorial of number 4 is 24. 4 into 3, 12 into 2, 24 into 1, 24. So hope this is the output which we got. So let's run the, okay. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.